Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Guys, again bukeni izinto ezenziwa yilabantu. South Africans, please wake up. Stop buying from these people. Stop spending your money. Stop enriching Somalians, Ethiopians. Stop enriching these people. Yekelani ukufida imizimba yenu. Stop feeding your bodies poison. Labantu bayasibulala, labantu babulala izingane zethu. Stop eating their food. Stop drinking whatever that is coming from those shops. This trending video of a Somalian lady who is refusing to drink water, you must know that this is not a joke. The way she is refusing to drink that water, she knows what is in that water. So be very careful, guys. You South Africans who are still buying from these people, stop buying from there. Stop sending innocent children there. It is dangerous.
Waphuza lamanzi ayakhalisa wena mawaphuza mara thina ama-South Africans kuhlele siphuzele amanzi wenu antoka yakho iyabula ngendlela uwazi ukuthi nisiphuzisa idodi ngakhona ayamiyabula lamanzi. Drink this water wena. Nasikhathi sokhuluma English mina.
You lied to us. You said there's no one.
Yes.
But you told some people inside.
Here for this room.
Phuza lamanzi.
That room.
Drink this water wena. Phuza.
They must arrest you.
Ayamiyabula lamanzi. Why ayamiyabula? Drink this water.
So you see how painful it is for her to drink this water because she knows what is in that water. It's like she's drinking acid. She knows whatever is in that water is very bad.
Drink this water when you will drink them.
Allah bahasa sih ini naik halal logi bag gitu.
Kalau kau
ini halal.
Ya dia kasih.
Bag udah isi halal.
Ida.
Oh, এখন আমার সন্দেহ লাগে কি এত বাড়ি ব্যাগ গিয়ে কিনলে আল্লাহর কাছে
চিন্তা করছে চুরি করে নি মামার কাছে দিয়ে আছে
ব্যাগ কোন লইয়া
ছোট মানে রাধুনা
সামনে ব্যাগ কোন কল
রাধুনা রে জানি
এত ব্যাগ কোন কল
আর হেতের কোমরে আছে নি সাহেব এটা
এইটা তো
না কোমো সাইছি
নাই
ব্যাগের ভিতর নাই হিন্দে রাখতো না ভাই মনে জানেন
আর ভিতর রাখবো কোমরে
আর কিছু লো থাকবো তুই ব্যাগ কোন আন
ব্যাগ তো আনি আমি সেটা ব্যাগ আনতে দিই
ওটা বাদ দাও আমি করি
So you see, after selling all this rubbish to you, the money is going back to their countries. This money is not going to the bank. This money is going back to Somalia, Ethiopia, wherever they are coming from. These people are overcrowding everywhere. Our clinics, our hospitals, everywhere you go, you'll find them. But they don't overcrowd our banks or SARS. Where are they banking their money as businessmen? Where are they paying their taxes? This is money laundering. And you'll hear South African leaders saying these are businessmen, they are contributing to the country. The money laundering they are doing in this country is the contribution. Ayizolethwa lisenkingeni and shame.
fully bambambe fully bambambe se fully bambambe se fully bambambe se fully oh uvulelani shop why you open se fully watelela we watelela
agliwe man agliwe agliwe
watelela Ngomo.
why you open why you
Bambambe se fully
why you open why you open and it's you
why open bambambe se fully why open why open your shop why open
Why are you opening? Why are you opening?
Bala you open bambambe
You must go. Then you must go. You must go. You must go. You must go. You must go.
think the solution to this problem is to deal with abomastende nama-custom because yibo abayinkinga. They can't just open if there are no customers who will buy there. These South Africans who are still buying from these people, yibo okumele kudilwe nabo, yibo abasibuyisela emuva. Lo msebenzi angeke uzuphele if these South Africans are still supporting these businesses. Abomastende ama-customer ibona kumele kudilwe nabo ngoba bazosibuyisela emuva, angeke lento iziphele. That is the only way to deal with this problem once and for all. Asikwazi ukuthi sizogcina ababulali emzini yethu abahambe labantu abakhishwe kuwo wonke amalokishi, ama-villages, wherever they are, they must be taken out. They must be deported, they must be taken back to their countries. Angeke sikwazi ukuthi sizoqhubeka sihlale siphile nabantu abanje. So guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.